Yeah, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you're watching me from. Yeah, tonight we'll be looking at past questions from ABU Zaria, distance learning. Here we have a past question. The title of the course is Trigonometry and Coordinate Geometry. Yeah, so here we have some questions. Here is one of them that I want to solve. So if you're not careful, you won't be able to solve it. So I'm going to break you, but I want you to share, like, comment. I'll be very grateful. Is that clear? I believe this is a question that somebody wants to. It will help the person in the exam. It's okay. So let's look at it together. It said, the question says, find the equation of a cycle with center at 3,3, which passes through the point 0, 0. It means the points are what? At the origin. True or false? That is the point. This is y, this is x. So the points are at the origin. But you know that this question is, you have to apply wisdom, otherwise you won't arrive at the answer. Yeah, because they said find the equation of a cycle. You want to go and write the general equation of a cycle, where we know that general equation of a cycle is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to what? 0. You won't arrive at the answer. Or at the end, this will frustrate you. Yeah. Why? Because, okay, let's look at it in the general form. We know that the equation of a cycle, let us have it in this form. This is the point x1, y1, right? Let's just say x, y. Is that clear? Then the point, since we are talking about g, minus g, minus f, right? This is our radius. This is the origin. Can you see? You can now see that this gives us this. Why? How? By the time we apply Pythagoras theorem, that is r squared is equals to x minus open bracket, the center is minus all squared plus y minus open bracket minus f all squared. Can you see now? We apply Pythagoras theorem to give us this after expanding the right answer. But if now we said the center is 3, what? 3, then and the point, it means the points, they are now talking about what? Yeah, 0, what? 0. So if you substitute here now, you can now see that it will frustrate you. True or false? It's true, right? Okay, I hope you are following, because I'm ready to break it down for you. So that, okay. So it means we cannot go by this. Yeah, we cannot go by this to obtain, according to what they said, the equation of a cycle. So I want to teach you how you are going to tackle this type of problem. You have to be very careful. Otherwise, okay. So now let me clean this. Let me clean this. So now we can tackle this problem using K, rough diagram, yeah? here at point, this is arrow, this is point x, comma y. Amen. Then this is h, comma what? K. So now we can now apply the Pythagorean theorem. So this implies that here is h minus x all square plus x minus h, then y minus what? K all square equals to what? R square. This, you are the right channel now. This is what you should use in calculating this, as long as you want to obtain the equation of the cycle. Is that clear? So now what we need to do here is we have to substitute in the values. Is that clear? You can now see that at the center, look at it, the center, it means here is 3, 3. Do you agree with me? Then while here, are you following? Are you following? Okay. So if you agree with me, it implies that here you don't need a prophet. It implies that here you don't need a prophet to tell you. Here plus 0 minus 3 is minus 3 all in square. So this is r square. R square is equals to, do you agree with me? Are you following? Is equals to, this is the same thing as 9, because when you see 3 all in bracket square, this is the same as minus 3 times minus 3. Minus times minus plus 3 times 3, 9. Do you agree with me? So here will be 9, here too will be 9. So you can now see that our r square is equals to square root, the radius, square root of 18. We apply sum, true of us. This is the same thing as square root of 9 times 2, which is the same thing as square root of 9 times square root of 2. So this implies that this is 3 root 2. So therefore our r is what? 3 root 2, right? Do you agree with me? Okay. So now at this point, this is where we are going to consider this, what is it called? The equation of cycle. Is that clear? Do you agree with me, right? So can we proceed? Any question? Do you have any question? No question? So we can proceed, right? Okay. So we can now go back to recall what we need to do here. For us to obtain the equation of a cycle, let us come back here. We're able to obtain our radius. So what we need to do is for us to equate this to this. So here will now be x minus x minus minus h. That is at this point we now introduce at this point you either use this or this, but we cannot arrive at the answer, true or false. Yeah. So what we need to do here is write x plus g all in what? Square plus y plus f all in square. Yeah. which is equals to r square, which is what? 3 root what? 2, right? So this will going to give us x squared plus 2gx plus y squared plus 2x 2f, yeah, 2fy, which is equals to what? Am I right? Yeah. Am I right? Okay. So it means our g is this, and f is this, right? So x squared plus y squared 2 times 3 6x 2 times plus 6y equals to 3 root 2. Yeah, I think this is where you are going to stop. This is where you are going to stop. So do you have any question? Any question? Do you have any question? Yes or no? Yeah, one may ask, why not using this? Let's try it. Let's try this. So it means this will give us what? X squared minus 2hx plus y squared minus 2ky, two of us, then equals to r squared, alright? So you can now see that it means here must be what? Negative. And here too must what? Must be negative, decay. So if this and this are negative, definitely this is how it will be, because your r square is given as what? This. We're able to obtain our r here, two of us. So this is it. Okay? Yeah. R is this. R is this. No. Equals to arrow. So it means here supposed to be arrow plus g all in square plus y plus f equals to r square, right? Okay, yeah. I just discovered something. That's mathematics for you. So here it means here supposed to be these are supposed to be y squared 6x plus 6y equals our arrow is what? Square 3 root 2 all in square. It means this will give us what? 9. Then this will give us this is 3 root 3 times 2 times 3 root 2. So it's 18. Okay, anyway, either go by this or this other one. So it means we are supposed to have here supposed to be what? 18, right? Yeah. It's okay. So that is that. But I don't think there should be need of writing r square again because of already we are able to obtain our r square, which is what? R equals to 3 root 2. Is that clear? So that is that. Any question, please? Any question? No question? Okay. So let's consider another example. Let us consider another example here. Another question. There's another question here. There's another question here. Please, I want you to like, comment, and share. I will be very grateful. Share what you are learning now on any of the platform or groups you belong to. Yeah, we have a question here. It says that prove the identity. Prove the identity. Okay, that is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, right? Am I right? Okay, all over sine A plus B, then what is there? Plus sine A minus B to be equals to tan B. Yeah. These are three identities. So let us look at it together. It's not difficult. So at first, what you should do, these are past questions that I am solving for those who are preparing for exam at ABU. This time A, sine B. So you have to take note. Then cos A plus B is equals to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Amen? Okay, then this is a sine open bracket A plus B is equals to sine A cos B, then plus cos A sine B. Take note, very important. If you don't have the idea of all these identities, I don't think you'll be able to prove this. Then sine open bracket A minus B is equals to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Look at the board very well. Do you agree with me? Any question? Any question? Yes or no? No question, right? So let's proceed. So as you can see, we are able to identify, you know where the problem is? The problem is this. If you cannot identify this or define this, you won't be able to prove this. So for the fact that we are able to define these identities, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. According to the question given, we have cos A minus B, we also have cos A plus B, two of us. Then look at the denominator, we have sine A plus B, and we also have sine A minus B. Then the right answer is tan B. What this question is telling you to do, you are to show that what is and the right hand side must be on the left hand side. That's just the meaning of this question. Although it says that prove the identity. Yeah. So let's try whether at the end of the day, this left hand side will have the same thing plan B. That is what we want to do. Is that clear? So please take note. So it means instead of writing this, we write this. Instead of writing this, we write this. Instead of this, we write this. And instead of this, we write this. Is that clear? Whether at the end of the day we will arrive at this. Okay, so let's proceed. Amen. Okay, so here, this is this, right? Here will be cos A, cos B, amen, plus sine A, sine B. Then what is here? Minus open brackets. Because of this negative sign, you must put brackets. So here, this is it. We write this. Is that clear? Cos A. Please help me share what you are learning now. Try and help a friend. Cos B minus sine A, sine B. Amen. Okay. Then all over. Instead of this, we write this, which is what? This, right? So sine A cos B, then plus cos A sine B. Amen. Okay, then what we have here? Plus. Is there any need for the bracket? No, because it's positive, except there is negative sign here, so there is no need. So sine A minus B gives us this, sine A cos B, then minus cos A sine B. Amen. Okay. Look at the board very well. Are you seeing what I am saying? Any question? Please, I want you to like, comment, and share. Any question? No question? So we can proceed, right? Okay. You say we can proceed, no problem. It's okay. Yeah. So let us, okay, let's make it this way. Equals to term B, right? Okay. So let us open this bracket to see what will happen. So here is cos A, cos B, then plus sine A, sine B, this times this, minus cos A, cos B, right? This times this plus, right? Plus sine A, sine B. Then all over, okay, let's look at it. Yeah. Okay. If you can see what I am saying, this and this will go, two of us. Then we can add this to this, and we are going to have 2 sine A cos B, two of us, equals to term B. Two of us is 2, right? Two of us, look at the board. Then let's look at the numerator. This and this we cancel. Two of us. This and this will go to give us the numerator. Add this to this, we are going to have 2 sine A sine B. then all over 2 sine A cos B equals to tan B. If you can see what I am saying, look at the board very well. If you can see what I am saying now, the deal has been done. Look at the board very well. Any question before I proceed? Do you have any question? No. Look at it. Look at it. 2 to itself, this to this. You can now see that we are going to have sine B all over what? Cos B, which is equals to tan B. So go back to your SOHCAHTOA. This is the same thing as this. So therefore, our tan B is equals to tan B. And this satisfies the proof. Yeah. So this is how you are supposed to consider identities of this one. Any question, please? Do you have any question? Yes, no, yes, no. Okay. There is another question here again. Do you have any question? No. It means we can proceed, right? Okay. So we still have another question here. Let's look at another one here. These questions are past questions from Zaria, Ahmadu Bello University. They said, show that another example, show that sine square what? Sine square B sec B. Sine square B sec B all over tan B, right? Am I right? Tan B equals to sine A equals to sine A. So, how are we going to solve this problem? Yeah, look at it. This square plus B sec B all over tan B equals to, show that it equals to. So, how are you going to solve this problem? Okay, I'm going to stop here. In our next video, I will prove this one. Thank you and God bless you. Love you guys. Make sure you share. Bye.